Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5 sour grapes. As we have studied before the whole poem with translation, today we are going to do its exercise. It is page number 37. Let's start. Answer the following question. Question number A is, did the fox really want the grapes? And its answer is yes, the fox really want the grapes. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B is, what was so attractive about the grapes? And its answer is, the grapes were rich, ripe and purple red. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C, which words are used to describe the grapes in the first verse? Which words are used in the third verse? The words used to describe the grapes are lovely, rich, ripe and purple red. These were in the first verse, and in third verse it was used as mean, common and sour. This is the answer of question number C. Question number D is, what is the moral or lesson that the poem teaches us? The moral or lesson that the poem teaches us is that people who cannot get what they have been trying for quite often say they did not really want it anyway. This is the answer of question number D. Question number 3 is, answer the following question with reference to context. Eager he tried to snatch the fruit. Question number A is, why was the fox eager? B is, why was he not able to reach the fruit? And C is, in what way did his opinion of the fruit change? Answer of question number 3 is, the fox was eager to eat grapes. Question number B, answer of question number B is because the grapes were too high. And answer of C is, he said that they were mean and common fruits and sour. Working with words, question number A is, can you write the following in full? First one is, its full form is he will, has not, that will, you will, does not, I had, इसके लिए भी यूज हो सकता है, and I would. These two words can be used for this word. They are, might not, they have, who would or who had. Would and had, both words can be used for D. Question number C is learning about language, subject, object and predicates. First one is, underline the subjects in the following sentences. Remember that the subject is the performer of the action. The boy, the beautiful girl, the man in the jeep, a bird in a tree nearby it. These are the subjects. Pick out the object in the following sentences. Find the verbs and their ask, verb plus what or who. The boy kicked the football. Here is the football is the object. The man saw a goose. Goose is the object. The girl played cricket. Cricket is the object. 14 girls sang the national anthem. National anthem is the object. Unfortunately, they saw him in the dark. Him is the object. We sometimes let the dog out. The dog, it is the object. Question number 3 is, pick out the predicates in the following sentences. First one is, The bird sang sweetly in the trees. Sang sweetly in the trees. These are the predicate. The old man sat under the tree. Sat under the tree is the predicate. He listened to the singing of the birds with great joy. Listen to the singing of the bird with great joy. It is the predicate. He slowly closed his tired eyes. Slowly closed his tired eyes is the predicate. He went to sleep with his head on a stone. Went to sleep with his head on a stone. It is the predicate. Next is read the following aloud clearly and slowly. You will practice this by yourself. Today we have completed this exercise. It is page number 39. In our next video we will start the next chapter. Allah Hafiz.